Hello fellas, I have received two drivers by the Dewalt with the broken checks, and of course they need to be replaced. So okay, we can try one and the other one. This one seems that it's one to move here, so I will try to open the jaws. Okay, the one is moving, the second one is not moving, and yeah, I can see the screw inside. And yeah, the one jaw is just down on the chuck. Okay, seems that nothing good happens with this one. Yeah, just now it's getting tightened. Okay, so we can see that the jaws is not moving. I will try to remove this ring. Yeah, I see this one can be tightened. Okay. Okay, I cannot get this up, so I will try to press it on a vise. Okay, now I hope I got the better view on a vise, and I will try to press this ring. Okay, got a ring out. Now I can move the cover, and Now I have the jaw that is missing. I can press it a little bit. Okay. Remove it, all the parts here. Yeah, this one is definitely stuck here. Okay, we can see that I got the jaws down, and I have place for the Torx here, and it's Torx number 20. Unscrewing it. Okay, the screw. Now I need to try to unscrew this one, and I will put in the vise. Of course, it's not always going easy. And this time this not going easy, so we can consider cut it or heat it. Now we have the jaws here. I will lift them. Okay, I don't want to remove them. Okay, yeah, they can move, but they are useless. So basically now we can cut the check, or what is left from it. But I still want to try the now, as is in the vise, I'm putting the longer wrench on it and trying to unscrew it. Seems that I got it. Yep, I got it finally. And the most funny part of it is that you can put the new check for this one. And get a screw back. It's good that we don't need to cut it with the angle grinder. Okay, so now we need to test it, and you can see that the button is pressing a little bit hard. So that's good, we have changed the check for the first one. I will make another one, the second one, in the next video. For this video, just buy and watch the second video. Thank you.